South America was the land of monsters, and none were more feared than the terror bird. Standing nearly 10 feet tall, with legs built for sprinting, this is a story from that time. The sun was low as a young man, and his father trekked through the tall, whispering grass. "Stay close," the father murmured. "Something's wrong. It's too quiet." The young man froze. "Father, look!" The terror bird rose above the grass, a nightmare of feathers and rage. It stomped once, twice, then charged. "Run!" the father shouted. The ground trembled. The bird's strides were monstrous. The father stumbled. The boy turned, horror choking him, as the beast's shadow swallowed him whole. Like and subscribe for more tales of prehistoric survival.